Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karajki Orchid School. Dear students, in our last session we have seen how to convert kilometer into meter and meter into centimeter. Now today we are going to start exercise 5.7 story sum. So open your textbook, page number 66. Look at the board. Exercise 5.7 story sums on length. We are going to solve story sums on length. So see the first question. Read the first story sum. Here Ram bought 18 meter 60 centimeter of cloth from one shop. See here, Ram bought 18 meter 60 centimeter of cloth from one shop and 24 meter 70 centimeter of cloth from another shop. He brought two pieces of cloth. Okay, the length of one cloth is 18 meter and 60 centimeter and the length of other cloth is 24 meter 70 centimeter. And the question is, what is the total length of cloth he bought? See here, he bought two cloths. The length of one cloth is 18 meter 60 centimeter. Okay, and 24 meter and 70 centimeter of cloth from another shop, and we have to find out the total length of cloth he bought. See here, the word which total word represent as we have to do the here addition. What is the total length of cloth he bought? Here we have to find out the total length of the cloth. The length of first cloth is 18 meter and 60 centimeter and the length of other cloth is 24 meter and 70 centimeter, and we have to find out the total length, means here we have to do the addition. So let us do the addition. Here we'll write length of one cloth is equal to, what was the length of first cloth or one cloth? 18 meter 60 centimeter. 18 meter 60 centimeter, and the length of other cloth is, the length of other cloth, yes, what is the length of other cloth? 24 meter 70 centimeter. 24 meter and 70 centimeter. Now we have to find out the total length of the cloth. So here we'll write, so total length of the cloth is equal to what? We have to do the here addition. 18 meter 60 centimeter plus 24 meter 70 centimeter. Okay, now we'll do the addition. First you have to make two columns, that is first is for meter and another is for centimeter. Then you have to leave one line for the carrying. Draw the box properly and then you have to put the values. Okay, see, what is the first length? 18 meter 60 centimeter plus length of other cloth 24 meter and 70 centimeter. Now it's very simple. Now you have to add these two length. Okay, then we will get the total length of the cloth. So do the addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7, yes. After 6 count your 7 fingers. 6 plus 7, 13. So we'll write here 3 and 1 as a carry. Then 8 plus 1. This carry also we have to add. So 1 plus 8, 9 9 plus 4. Now after 9 you have to count your 4 fingers. So 9 plus 4, 13. So here we will write 3 and we will give 1 as a carry to the next place. Then see this column, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So what is the answer? 43 meter and 30 centimeter. So here we will write, so the total length of the cloth is equal to what? 43 meter and 30 centimeter. Understood? What that given us? The length of one cloth, that is 18 meter and 60 centimeter, and the length of other cloth was 24 meter and 70 centimeter, and we have to find out the total length of the cloth. So here we have done the addition. So we got the answer 43 meter and 30 centimeter. So the total length of the cloth is 43 meter and 30 centimeter. Understood? Okay. Now see the second example. Read the question. Radha bought 6 meter 50 centimeter of red ribbon and 8 meter 80 centimeter of black ribbon for her daughter. What is the total length of ribbon bought by Radha? See here again, what that given us? That given us the length of 2 ribbon. Okay, the length of red ribbon is 6 meter and 50 centimeter, and the length of black ribbon is 8 meter and 80 centimeter. And what is the question? What is the total length of ribbon bought by Radha? Here also the word total is there, so means we have to do the again addition. Okay, if we will add 6 meter and 50 centimeter and 8 meter 80 centimeter, then we will get the total length of the ribbon bought by Radha. So let us do the addition. First we will write length of red ribbon. What was the length of red ribbon? Yes, 6 meter and 50 centimeter. 6 meter 50 centimeter. And length of black ribbon. Length of black ribbon. What was the length of black ribbon? 8 meter 80 centimeter. 8 meter 80 centimeter. Now we have to find out the total length of the ribbon. So here we will write, so total length of the ribbon is equal to 6 meter 50 centimeter plus 8 meter 80 centimeter. Okay, now we will do the addition here again. Make 2 column, one is for meter and other is for centimeter. Leave one line for the carry. This is meter, this is centimeter. Now write down the first length, 6 meter 50 centimeter plus what was the length of other ribbon? 8 meter 80 centimeter. Now very simple, do the addition. 0 plus 0, 0. Then 5 plus 8. Yes, 5 plus 8, 13. So here we will write 3 and 1 as carry. Then 1 plus 6. Yes, 1 plus 6, 7. And 7 plus 8, 15. Correct. So here we'll write 15. So what is the total length of the ribbon? So the total length of the ribbon is is 15 meter 30 centimeter. Correct. Yes, what is the total length of the ribbon? 15 meter 30 centimeter. Correct. Understood? Okay. Now see the third question. Read the question. Two ropes are of length 6 meter 75 centimeter and 4 meter 25 centimeter respectively. What is their total length? See here what that given us. What is the question? Two ropes are of length 6 meter and 70 centimeter and 4 meter and 25 centimeter respectively. What is their total length? Here also see here we have to find out the total length of the ropes. Here two ropes are there and the length of first rope is 6 meter 75 centimeter and the length of other rope is 4 meter 25 centimeter, and then you have to find out the total length of the two ropes. So here also we have to do the addition. 6 meter 75 centimeter plus 4 meter 25 centimeter. So you have to do the addition. Try to solve by your own. This is very easy example. So try to solve by your own. Now we'll move to the next question, that is fourth one. Keep your finger on the line and read the question. Mr. Sharma drove his car 30 km 550 meter from his home to his office. Okay, see, read it carefully once again. Mr. Sharma drove his car 30 km 550 meter from his home to his office. Then 13 km 475 meter from his office to the market and 28 km to 30 meter from the market to his home. What is the total distance he drove? See here. First of all, he drove his car 30 km 550 meter from his home to his office. Then from his office to the market he went and the distance was 13 km 475 meter, and then finally from the market to his home he came and the distance was 28 km to 30 meter. So in this way he traveled some distance and that distance we have to find out. So here we have to find out the total distance driven by Mr. Sharma. Okay, so here first we will write Mr. Sharma drove his car 30 km 550 meter from his home to his office. So here we will write the distance from his home to his office. What was the distance? Yes, how many kilometers? 30 km 550 meter. So write here 30 km 550 meter. Then from his office to the market, the distance from his office to the market what was the distance? Yes, from office to the market 13 kilometer 475 centimeter. 13 kilometer 475 centimeter. And then finally the distance from market to his house is equal to, yes, what was the distance? 28 kilometer to 30 meter. 28 kilometer to 30 centimeter. Okay, and then we have to find out the total distance he drove. Okay, so here also we have to do the addition of these three distance. So let us do the addition. Make two columns. One is for kilometer and another is for centimeter. Leave one line for the carry. Properly first you have to make box and then put the values in the box. Here we have to do the addition of three numbers. Okay. Now what was the first distance? 30 kilometer 550 centimeter. Then from office to the market 13 kilometer 475 centimeter. And then from office to his home, that distance was 28 kilometer to 30 centimeter. Now when we will add these three distance, then we will get the total distance. Okay, so do the addition. 0 plus 5, 0 plus 5, 5, and then 5 plus 0, 5 only. So write here 5. Then 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7, yes, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. So we will write here 5 and 1 as a carry. Okay, then 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, and 10 plus 2, 12. So we will write here 2 and we will give 1 as a carry. Now see the kilometers column. Yes, 1 plus 0, 1. Then 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 8, 12. So we will write here 2 and 1 as a carry. Then 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, so what was the total distance? Total distance, yes, 72 kilometer 255 centimeter. Understood? Okay. Now we'll move to the next example, that is fifth number. The height of two buildings are 20 meter 75 centimeter and 17 meter 90 centimeter respectively. What is the difference between the heights of the two buildings? See here, what is the question? The height of two buildings are 20 meter 75 centimeter and 17 meter 90 centimeter respectively. And the question is, what is the difference between the heights of the two buildings? See here. Here they had given us the heights of the building. There are two buildings, okay, and the height of the first building is 20 meter 75 centimeter and height of the other building is 17 meter 90 centimeter, and we have to find out the difference between the heights of the two buildings. Now here difference between two buildings, difference between the height of the two buildings means here we have to do the subtraction. Correct. If we will do the subtraction, then we will get the difference between the heights of the two buildings. So what was the height of the first building? 20 meter 75 centimeter. Okay, and the height of other building is 17 meter 90 centimeter. Okay, so we have to do here subtraction, then we will get the difference between that two buildings. Okay, so here what is the height of the first building? 20 meter and 75 centimeter. So from 20 meters 75 centimeter, if we will subtract the length of other buildings, if we will subtract the height of the other building, then we will get the difference between the heights of two buildings. So let us do the subtraction here. So we will write here the height of the first building is, the height of the first building is, what is the height of the first building? Yes, the height of the first building is 20 meter 75 centimeter. Now we will write the height of the other building. Height of the other building is, yes, 17 meter 90 centimeter. Now here we have to find out the difference between the heights of the two buildings. So here we will do the subtraction. Here you have to make two columns, one is for meter and other is for centimeter. Properly you have to make box and then only you have to write the values in that box. You have to leave one line for the borrow. See here 20 meter 75 centimeter. Here two units are there. Okay. Now in between these two units, which one is bigger? Yes, meter is the bigger unit. So you have to compare the bigger unit. 20 meter and 17 meter. Which one is greater? 20 meter is greater. So from 20 meter we have to subtract 17 meter. Okay, so 20 meter 75 centimeter minus 17 meter 90 centimeter. Now we will do the subtraction. 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0, yes, 5. Okay, then 7 minus 9. Can you do 7 minus 9? No, we can't do 7 minus 9. Why? Because 7 is smaller than 9. So 7 minus 9 we can't do. Okay, so what to do then? Just you have to cut this 7, write as it is, and then go to the neighbor. Now here 0 is there, so again we will move to the next neighbor. Here 2 is there, so we will take one borrow from this 2. So 2 minus 1, here 1 will remain and this 0 will become 10. Now from this 10 we will take one borrow, so here 9 will remain and this 7 will become 17. Okay, now 17 minus 9. Yes, 17 minus 9. After 9, count your fingers till 17. Yes, 8. Okay, so we will write here 8. Now we will move to the meters column. 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7, 2. And here 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the difference between the two bedding? Yes, height of the two bedding 2 meter and 85 centimeters. So at the end you have to write the answer in the sentence, that is the difference between the heights of the two bedding is 2 meter 85 centimeter. Understood? Okay. Now we'll move to the sixth example. See the question. Mala jogs 5 kilometer 650 meter in the morning and 7 kilometer 50 meter in the evening. How much more does she jogs in the evening? Now here see, in the evening she jogs more distance, okay, and in the morning she jogs 5 kilometer 650 meter, and in the evening she jogs 7 kilometer 50 meter. And the question is, how much more does she jog in the evening? Means here we have to do the subtraction from the evening. If we will subtract the distance which jogs in the morning, then we will get the how much more she jog in the evening. So here from 7 kilometer 50 meter you have to subtract 5 kilometer 650 meter, then you will get the answer of this question. So try to solve this example by your own. Now we'll move to the next example, that is 7th number. Read the question. A tailor had 500 meter of thread. A tailor had 500 meter of thread. He used 242 meter 5 centimeter for stitching. See, out of 500 he used 242 meter and 5 centimeter for stitching. And the question is, how much thread is left with him? Now see here, the word left means here we have to do the subtraction, okay. From 500 meter, if we will subtract this 242 meter 5 centimeter, then we will get the thread which is left with tailor, okay. Now let us solve this example. Initially the tailor had 500 meter, so here we will make two column, that is meter and centimeter. The total length was 500 meter, so we'll write here 500 and here we'll write 0. Out of that 500 he used for stitching 242 meter 5 centimeter, okay. Now we'll do the subtraction, then we will get the thread which is left with tailor. Now here say 0 minus 5. Can you do 0 minus 5? No, we can't do 0 minus 5 because 0 is smaller than 5. So we'll move to the next. Here we'll cut the 0, write as it is. Then we'll move to the next neighbor. Here 0 is there. So again we'll move to the next neighbor. Here also 0. So we will move to this 5. This here 5 is there, so we'll take one borrow from this 5. So 5 minus 1, 4, and this 0 will become 10. Now from this 10 we will take one borrow. So if we will take one borrow from this 10, then here 9 will remain, okay, and this 0 will become 10. Now again from this 10 we will take one borrow and this 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5, yes, 5. Then 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 4, 5. And here 4 minus 2, 2. Okay. So what is the answer? Yes. How much thread is left with him? 257 meter 5 centimeter thread left with tailor. Understood how to solve this example? Okay. Now see the last example. Read the question. Read the question. Ramu's house is 5 kilometer 550 meter from his school. See, Ramu's house is 5 kilometer 550 meter from his school. Sonam's house is 6 kilometer 275 meter from her school. Whose house is further away from school and by how much? See here. The distance of Ramu's house is 5 kilometer 550 meter and Sonam's house is 6 kilometer 275 meter from her school. Whose house is further away? means whose house is far away from school. Now here you have to see these two values. Here 5 kilometer 500 meter and 6 kilometer 275 meter. Here two units you can see, that is kilometer and meter. Now in these two meter units, which one is greater? Kilometer is greater. So just you have to compare kilometers. Here 5 kilometer and here 6 kilometer is there. So which one is greater? 6 kilometer is greater. Means Sonam's house is further away from school. Now we have to find out by how much. By how much Sonam's house is far away from her school. So what we have to do? From 6 kilometer to 75 meter, we have to subtract 5 kilometer 500 meter. Then we will get the answer of this question. Understood? So try this. Try to solve this question by your own. So today in this way we have completed exercise 5.7. In the next session we will see the remaining part. Thank you.